What up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to claim your Lion airdrop, your Lion meme airdrop that we tried receiving from the Athene Network the last time. We did a video on that. I did a previous video on how to withdraw your funds, how to link your wallet address and withdraw it into your wallet. All right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can claim your tokens, how you can claim your meme coin from the platform directly into your MetaMask wallet, and also the Param points. We can now link our wallet address for the claiming of our points of our token. All right, so I'll be showing you all that in this video. There are so many updates on this also that I will talk about, and we are going to be trying everything out and see if it's worth claiming or not. I'm talking about both Lion and the Param. We're going to check out if they are both worth claiming or not. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to stick to this video to the end. Alright guys, so I think I'll start with Param first. Alright, so you need to, first of all, you have to make sure you've connected your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. You can see mine is connected over here. You can see it there. You have to make sure you are connected on your wallet. Then you just click on this over here. Click on menu, which is up here on your top right. Let me show you where the menu is. Just click over here and you will see options. All right, so this is what you're going to see. Then the next thing, you should click on claim. You can see claim over here under staking. All right, click on claim, then it will take you directly to where you can claim your points. And actually we can claim right now because it's going to be in 4 days. You can see there's a countdown going on here, so it has to be in 4 days. But what you have to do now is to link your wallet address and see if you are eligible to claim your points. I already did this earlier on and I don't think my wallet is eligible, but I want to do it again for you guys to see, so that for those of you whose wallet is eligible and will be able to claim, you can do it. All right, okay, now you can see mine is showing the connected wallet is not eligible for Param claim. All right, so what you have to do is you will see a claim button, you will see a connect button over here. Connect wallet button will be somewhere here, will be located here. So all you have to do is to click on it and it will take you to your MetaMask. Then you connect it again, you connect to the same wallet again. All right, now it's going to tell you if you're eligible. You will see your points and you'll be able to claim them after 4 days. All right, but for me it is showing I'm not eligible, so I won't be able to claim anything. And I know the reason why, because I never took this stuff serious. I was tired of doing this farming, so that was why I left it, and maybe that's why. Anyway, that's just a simple step how you can claim your Param airdrop. All right, that's it. Now let's go to the Lion airdrop. Right, so to claim your Lion token, your Lion airdrop, what you need to do is to go into your MetaMask wallet this way. Then you click on the browser section. All right, click on the browser section. Then you will have to type in the site. You will type in claim.athene.network. That's what you will type in the browser. All right, let me do that quickly for you guys to see. Claim.athene.network. All right, this is it, easy. Then you search for it. All right, let's search and see. All right, so once the page loads, you are going to come to a page looking like this. This is what you are going to see over here. So now you can scroll down and you will need to connect your wallet. Now I know it's going to require some gas fee anyway, but let's connect. I just want to show you guys how this thing works. All right, so you use MetaMask because we're in MetaMask already. All right, so let this load. All right, I'm going to connect. This is the same wallet I linked up earlier on in the other previous video where we were linking wallet address. All right, so now after you do this, all you have to do is to check your eligibility. All right, click on it and it's going to show if you're eligible to claim this airdrop or not. All right, so congratulations, you've made it onto our list to receive the Lion airdrop. All right, so I'm supposed to receive 15 million token, 15,900,000 token of this Lion airdrop. All right, so that's what I'm supposed to receive, and I don't know. Let's see, let's click on claim airdrop right now. Let's see what happens. All right, okay, I'm going to scroll completely down, accept this, then claim airdrop. Let's see what's going to request, how much is going to request for us to be able to claim this airdrop. Alright, so it's requesting about $6.56. That's approximately $7 worth of Ethereum. And the amount I want to really withdraw from this is not even up to that. That is not even up to $1. So I see no point for me doing this right now. So I'm just going to reject this. I'm going to reject this, and in case yours is more than mine, I don't know, maybe you have more than the 15 million and you want to go for it, and you really want to withdraw, claim this airdrop, guys, it's left to you. You can do it the same procedures I just showed you. It's as simple as that, but make sure you have some Ethereum as your gas fee in your wallet. So that is just the simple steps you need to take in order for you to claim your Lion Airdrop from the Athene Network. All right, so guys, it's as simple as that. Just showed you guys how to participate in the Param, how to claim your airdrop from the Param point, and also the Lion token airdrop. All right, so guys, if you are interested to do all these things, you have to follow the simple steps I just showed you right here right now. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update. So guys, you can see I have the Lion King token here. So in case you don't have the contract address, you can check in the description of this video. I'll leave it there for you to use it to add it to your MetaMask wallet in case you need to make this claiming, this withdrawal. All right, so guys, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.